Well folks, stunning day. I'm in Hokitika here. I'm at Subway. The weather's just beautiful, and we're at Subway, and it's open. It's early in the morning, so they're just cleaning up at the moment. Debbie, great to see you.
Oh, you too.
Now, when our guests come from Nelson, Christchurch, Dunedin, they can get a Subway, can't they?
Definitely.
Fantastic, because you've got to eat, you know.
You don't eat, you don't survive.
Now, how did you survive during the lockdown? Bit boring?
Well, when I keep myself busy, extra housework and bits and pieces, and we still have cleaning and everything to do here as well.
Yeah.
So sort of in and out and stuff at
So what's
designated times.
the big favourite these days? We've got Rise and what's the big favourite for?
Oh, it just depends on what people really want, what they like. The new one at the moment is the grilled wax.
Is this the salads?
Pardon? No, that's the salads one. We also do our catering packs.
Rise and shine breakfast there.
But now this is hot grilled.
Okay, hot grilled wraps and paninis.
And paninis as well, which we kept going for way before lockdown.
Oh, I love it. I love it. Well, my kids had Subway last night, and they were absolutely wrapped. So.
Wrapped. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we've got our other snacks up here, and this is the cheap version of like a cedar and jackals.
And the cookies there, I tried one of them the other night.
Yeah, they're brilliant.
They're awesome.
They're beautiful.
How do you keep everything so fresh? I mean, look, it's obviously,
good.
Yeah, it does look good, doesn't it? Tomatoes, onions, carrot, you name it, folks. Well, look, there we go, Debbie. Thanks so much for talking to me.
You're welcome.
And coasters, when you come home, come and see Debbie, because a Subway, you can't beat them. We'll catch you later.